Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox failed to load library MFPlat error. This error occurs when the Windows version is not up to date and also MFPlat.dll file is not in the system. Is may encoded such an error. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to update the Windows. To do this, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on Windows Update setting. Click on check for update. If you have any updates available in here, you just need to update it guys. After updating it, if you still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to download Windows Media Future. To download this, open up Chrome, search for Windows Media Future Pack, select the Microsoft official website, scroll down, select the edition. You just need to select the latest edition guys. Select the drop down over here and select 2019 and select confirm. If you are using 32-bit or 64-bit, you just need to download it guys. For checking it, right click on this PC and select properties. System type is 64-bit. You just need to found like this. After that, you just need to download it guys. My system is 64-bit, that's why I'm gonna download this. If you are using 32-bit, you just need to download this guys. After get download done, click on it and install it guys. Hopefully your problem will be resolved. But if you still having a problem, let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is to download the missing DLL file. To do this, you just need to go to Google Chrome and search for DLL files and click on the first official DLL file link, and you just need to search for the MFPlat.dll. Click on the file name, close the ad, just need to scroll down. And if you are using 32-bit, you just need to download this guys. I am using 64-bit PC. I'm gonna download this one. Your download will start in 2 seconds. Wait for it. After getting download done, click on show in folder. Double click on the folder guys, MFPlat. Right click on the MFPlat.dll and select copy it guys. And now go to this PC and double click on the local disk C. Now double click on the Windows folder. Now search for system32 folder guys. Double click on the system32 folder. Now right click on the blank area and select paste it guys. Select replace the file destination and select continue. I recording guys, that's why I'm getting this problem. You definitely not will be getting it. Go back to Windows folder and now search for sys wow 64. Double click on it, right click on the blank area and select paste it inside of it and replace the file destination. Now close out of here. Now right click on the Roblox player, select open file location. Now right click on the folder and select paste it in the DLL file guys. Select continue. After pasting it, close out of here. Now check if your problem is resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. Fourth solution is to download DirectX and Net Framework and Visual C++ programs. These three programs we need to download it guys. To do this, open up Chrome, search for DirectX and click on the Microsoft official website. Click on the download option and download it guys. Search for Visual C++. Click on the official Microsoft website. You just need to download this x86 and x64 guys, both link. You just need to click on it one by one and click on. Now next you just need to download .NET framework. For that, search for .NET framework and select the Microsoft official website. Scroll down, select the recommended version and download it guys. Select the download .NET framework 4.8 runtime and it will automatically be downloads up. You just need to install all of these programs guys. After installing it, you just need to restart your PC guys. After restarting it, if you still having a problem, let's move on to the last solution guys. Last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox guys. Do it correctly can fix the problem guys. For that, we need a small program to completely uninstall it. To download it, open up Chrome, search for Geek Uninstaller. Click on the official website Geek Uninstaller and select the download option. Select the zip file guys. Select open show in folder. Now double click on the Geek folder and now double click on the application. Now in this application you just want to uninstall the Roblox player guys. Select right click on it and select uninstall it guys. Roblox has been uninstalled. Click on OK. Now scanning for leftover files guys. Select finish to continue the process. Now we have uninstalled Roblox completely, guys. Now to download Roblox, search for download Roblox and select Roblox official website and download it, guys. After getting download done, click on it and install it, guys. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem. If the video helps you, don't forget to leave a like, and you can also support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you.